Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove a Watermark Dashboard on a GIGABYTE monitor. And to do this, first we'll need to press on the button on the back right side of our screen, navigate to the Game Assist. Inside, scroll down to the dashboard and then you can enable or disable it. Also, you can switch location where it should be placed. And when it's enabled, you'll be able to select different options that will be displayed on that dashboard. For example, CPU temperature. And in this case, I think I'm just gonna go with the GPU temperature and CPU temperature. And here it is in the top left corner of our screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.